I am ready to travel. I am ready to travel.
Check-in na. Pa-check-in na kami. We're going to
The only thing in my bag,
E06 counter.
the only thing I have in my bag is snacks, my phone, wallet, and then AirPods plus my ID, and then a pillow. You know the like eye mask thingy?
Sige na. So, tatay.
I like to. I need to tie.
Later na. Check-in time.
I gave the attendant, the flight attendant, a Christmas gift. So like and subscribe if you want a Christmas gift too. I'm so excited.
We're done sa immigration. We're done checking dun sa x-ray. Ngayon, bago kami magpunta sa gate 116, magbe-breakfast muna kami. Pero very light breakfast lang kasi meron namang breakfast sa Emirates.
Guys, tip, if whenever you're going to go on an Emirates plane, ask the flight attendant nicely for a toy pack. If you do that, they'll give you a toy pack. And I'll do it, yes.
Sige na.
Hello, vlog.
Wala nga yung vlog natin. Vlog. Shuttle's best?
Rent the Wi-Fi. Nandito na rent the Wi-Fi.
Anak, don't hold my hand. Shuttle's best? Ito na lang, oh. Mainit. Gusto mo? Ayaw niya dyan. Ay, naku, coffee ka na naman.
Shake Shack.
Kain muna kami. Heading to gate. Oh, tata, hindi ko to kaya. So, bababa pala yung 116. Dito ka sa akin, mahawak ka. Bababa pala yung gate 116. Buti na lang, konti lang yung isa lang yung check-in baggage namin. We're here. Ito na, going to Emirates. Gate 116. Left side. Ay, naku ka. As usual, lagi ka naman nakikipagtalo. Say hi.
Hello.
O yung gift mo. Say Merry Christmas, ano?
Merry Christmas!
Enjoy the flight.
Thank you, Merry Christmas.
Ate, tanongin mo nga kung pwede tayo keep.
Hindi mo pwedeng keep yan kasi hindi naman yung vlog. Nakaiba yun.
Ate, tanongin mo nga yung toy pack.
Ayun niya, ibigay yun. Excited ka?
Maglalabas ako pero para pag binigyan ako, bibigyan ko. Mastermind. Ate, love. Ate, love.
فقط عند الباب قبل مغادرة الطائرة. إذا تسقط الشرطين الأحمرين بالنسبة للقوة. يمكنكم استخدام هذا الريموت لنفق أو تعزيز الهواء.
And you all can get back to our award-winning entertainment system. So, here we go.
Please make sure you place all your bags up here in the overhead locker. Or, if you have smaller bags, you can and gaze them hill in front.
In first class, there are stowage areas inside your suite.
Ano yan yung... Ano yan? What's that smoke of air? Matanding smoke of air na yun. Ano yan? Naniwag kasi. Naniwag.
Patulog na po ang batang makulit sa biyahe. Nakatulog na po ang batang makulit sa biyahe. Sky, what's your food? What is your food for today?
For today, I have Sunkist orange juice, some chocolate, water, and then ketchup, pineapple, honeydew watermelon, banana muffin. I know my nanny likes that soda. And this is a December 21 to December 25. This one is Anya. Daddy, y'all.
Ito po yung pinapagod.
Try everything, anak, ha? Eat everything. Eat faster. Eat the meatballs. You love it here? You love Emirates, anak? Andres. You love Emirates? Why? Why? Hot? Buhay ko. Sarap po yung buhay niya. Sabi niya kanina, I love my life. Watching and eating and after sleep. Stop. No? Eat na. How does it taste? Andres! How does it taste?
Then,
The foods, meatballs, spaghetti. I know, not some spaghetti. Penne with meatballs. Some chocolates here. Butter. Pineapple, garlic, and watermelon. And then banana pot. Yung meron pa siya. Dinner on the side. That's live. Yung
Ha? Kami ito tayo. Ay, tayo.
I cannot hear the sound pressure, man. Higher, like the legal I'm a little higher. The week, the day, Sakit. Kakain 2.5 times ko. 3.5 times ko na napanood yung ano. Tawag dito? Oh, higher. Kakain. Diba if it's in change in air pressure, nakakaano ng tenga, how does this make it go normal again? Tatay, alam mo ba saan? In game, I can like, I drive a plane. Sometimes, I know how to land it. What I do is I find like a road or a flat surface, and then I land it. Yes. can't believe we're in a car. Tatatataratata.